Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're going to take a look at the MSI Mag B660 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR4 gaming motherboard, widely regarded as one of the best B660 motherboards for DDR4 and Wi-Fi connectivity. If you're looking for a gaming motherboard that delivers both performance and premium features, you're in the right place. The MSI Mag B660 Tomahawk Wi-Fi is a gaming-oriented ATX motherboard built around the latest Intel B660 chipset. It's designed to support 12th Gen Intel Core processors, making it an excellent choice for gamers and creators who want powerful processing capabilities. With its LGA 1700 socket, this motherboard ensures compatibility with Intel's Celeron and Pentium processors as well. One of the standout features of this motherboard is its robust power delivery system. The 12+1+1 duet rail power system with 60 ADRMOS ensures stable and reliable performance, even during intense gaming sessions. This powerful setup guarantees that your system can handle demanding applications and high-end games without breaking a sweat. Whether you're playing AAA titles or working with resource-intensive software, this motherboard is built to keep up. For memory, the MSI Mag B660 Tomahawk Wi-Fi supports up to 64 GB of DDR4 memory, with speeds reaching 4,800 MHz and beyond with overclocking. This makes it perfect for gamers who want to load games faster and perform multitasking operations without a hitch. With its advanced memory boost technology, you're guaranteed top-tier gaming performance. When it comes to storage, this motherboard doesn't disappoint. It offers 3 M.2 slots and 6 SATA ports, providing ample space for fast SSDs and other storage devices. The M.2 Shield Frozer ensures that your SSDs run at maximum speed by preventing thermal throttling, a crucial feature when dealing with high-performance storage. Connectivity is another area where this motherboard excels. It comes with Wi-Fi 6 for faster internet speeds, along with Bluetooth 5.2 for seamless device pairing. Additionally, the 2.5G LAN port ensures a lag-free, stable connection, which is perfect for online gaming. You won't have to worry about slow or unreliable connections during crucial moments in your gaming sessions. The MSI Mag B660 Tomahawk Wi-Fi also features MSI's Steel Armor PCIe slots, which provide extra support for heavy graphics cards, ensuring durability and preventing any potential damage caused by the weight of high-end GPUs. The motherboard also offers 7.1 HD audio with Audio Boost, delivering immersive sound for an enhanced gaming experience. In terms of design, the Mag B660 Tomahawk Wi-Fi is not only functional but also visually appealing. With its sleek black design, reinforced by MSI's premium thermal solutions, this motherboard will fit perfectly into any high-end gaming build. The system is equipped with an extended heatsink and 7WMK thermal pads, ensuring that everything stays cool, even under heavy load. Overall, the MSI Mag B660 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR4 gaming motherboard is a perfect blend of power, connectivity, and design. Whether you're building a new gaming rig or upgrading your existing setup, this motherboard has everything you need to get the best performance out of your components. So, if you're looking for a top-tier B660 motherboard with DDR4 support and Wi-Fi, this is the one to go for. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more product reviews and critiques right here on Product Critique.